Want to generate a QR code? Follow these steps. Copy the link you want to encode in the QR. Just a sample, I'll copy the link of my RSVP Google form. Then, go to a QR code generator website, like QR Code Monkey. Paste the link you copied in the text box. You can customize your QR code by adjusting the color, adding a logo, or changing the shape of it. For now, let's stick to the basic design. Click Create QR Code to start generating. Then, click Download PNG to save it in your computer. Check your downloaded QR code in the Downloads folder. Now, go back to Canva and upload your QR code. Click on the QR code image in your Uploads section. And then, resize and position it as needed within your design. If this was helpful, make sure to follow for more tutorials and tips. Click and subscribe to my Joyful Art.